Yes. Again, my dear children, good morning and happy Diwali to all of you. Today, our topic, just we are going to start, that is uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion and non-uniform motion that we have learned earlier also. When an object travels, when an object travels, when an object travels, object travels equal distances, object travels equal distances in equal interval of time, equal interval of time. Write down, when an object travels equal distances in equal interval of time, here it is time, okay, equal distances in equal interval of time, then the motion of the object is said to be uniform motion. What does it mean, sir? लिख लो पहले. Suppose I am going to Udaipur from here. It is 100 kilometers from here. If I covered 50 kilometers in 1 hour and another 50 kilometers in 1 hour, equal distances in equal interval of time, we can say here we are covering the distance 50 kilometers, each 50 kilometers in 1 hour. So that is called uniform motion. Then in non-uniform motion, लिखो non-uniform motion. In non-uniform motion, when an object travels, when an object travels, when an object travels unequal distances, unequal distances in equal interval of time, in equal interval of time, in equal interval of time, when an object travels unequal distances in equal interval of time, then the motion is said to be non-uniform motion. Then the motion is said to be unequal distances. Suppose I am going to Udaipur, again I am taking same example. पहले लिख लो इसको. When an object travels unequal distances in equal interval of time. Suppose right now I am starting from here at 10:30, going to Udaipur, and at 11:30, if I cover 60 kilometers from here up to 11:30, then and in the next 40 kilometers, I am reaching Udaipur at 12:30. Then first hour, I am covering distance 60 kilometers, but in the second hour, I am covering a distance 40 kilometers. That is called non-uniform motion. Unequal distances in equal interval of time. So this type of examples we can easily write in our copy. Okay? तो लिख लीजिए बच्चों दोनों definitions. Now, अब बच्चों में बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. Is it any problem then ask regarding uniform motion and non-uniform motion? Is it any problem then you may ask.
No,
Now,
sir.
चले आगे बेटा. Can we go ahead?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
now our next article is a very very important article, that is concept of speed. Ligo, the next article that we are going to learn, that is concept of speed. What is that? Measuring the rate of motion. That we are going to learn concept of speed here. What is this? Distance traveled by the body in a unit time. Ligo, distance traveled by the body, distance traveled by a body in a unit time. In a unit time. Here. A rate of change of distance, even I can say, or the rate of change of distance. The rate of change of distance is also called speed. Here I can write the formula for the speed: distance traveled divided by time taken. If I want to write the formula for the speed, that is distance traveled divided by time taken. Write down. Distance traveled divided by time taken. Distance traveled we can measure in meter. Time taken in second. The unit of speed here is meter per second. लिख लो. The unit in which speed measures, that is called meter per second. Now, so my dear children, distance is measured in also in centimeter, time is in second. So we can write the unit here, it is meter per second or centimeter per second. Whatever be the measurement, we can write like this. Speed of a body, because speed of a body is a scalar quantity. Speed of a body is a scalar quantity. Speed is a scalar quantity. It means it has only magnitude. Speed is a scalar quantity. I mean to say that it has only magnitude. Speed can be zero or positive. Speed can be zero. Likho, speed can be zero or positive. Or positive. It can never be negative. It can never be negative. It can never be negative. Also, I can differentiate speed in a two form: uniform speed and non-uniform speed. So here first, I am going to explain what do you mean by uniform speed. uniform speed. Here, when a body travels equal distances in equal interval of time. Same. When a body travels equal distances in equal interval of time. When the body travels equal distances in equal interval of time, and another one is non-uniform speed, or I can say a variable speed. Non-uniform speed or variable speed. When a body covers unequal distances, when a body travels unequal distances in equal interval of time, unequal distances in equal interval of time, most of the cases in our daily life, if we are moving or driving our car or scooter, most of the time we can say a lot of stoppages are there, a lot of obstacles are there in the market. So we have to use brake. When we have to use brake, so in a different interval, we cover different distance. So most of the time, our speed of our car or speed of our scooter is non-uniform speed, or we can say variable speed. Uniform speed we can get, we can observe only and only highway road, where there are no obstacle, no breakers are there. At that highway, we get uniform speed. So this is, my dear children, a big difference in between uniform speed and non-uniform speed. One more thing I want to clear here. What do you mean by average speed? Here, average speed, that is the total distance traveled by the object and the total time taken. And the total time taken, so लिख लो average speed is total distance traveled divided by total time taken. Total distance traveled divided by total time taken. Suppose from here to Udaipur I am going, from Chittorgarh to Udaipur, the total distance covered is 200 kilometers. Suppose 100 kilometers. Suppose from Chittorgarh to Udaipur, total distance covered 100 kilometers and total time taken 2 hours. Suppose आप यहां से उदयपुर जा रहे हैं, total distance is 100 kilometer, time taken is 2 hours. So our average speed is 50 kilometer per hour. Yeah, 50 kilometer per hour. ओके, तो दिस इज देयर। तो हमने बात की बच्चों अभी स्पीड की। स्पीड इज एन स्केलर क्वांटिटी। स्पीड इज एन स्केलर क्वांटिटी। Now we are going to see one more quantity, that is a vector quantity, that is velocity. So here we are going to learn another concept of our physics, that is speed with direction. Speed with direction. Speed with direction, that is called velocity. Here, who will give me the definition of velocity?
Sir, velocity is the distance traveled by the body in the unit time given in a direction.
No, wrong answer. I am asking about velocity, not speed. लिखो, रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट। अब डिस्टेंस की बात नहीं करेंगे अपन। लिखिए, वेलोसिटी इज द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ displacement. The rate of change of displacement, or we can say, in our book you have seen maybe a distance may be written, but you have to write rate of change of displacement. We are not talking about distance. The distance traveled by a body in a unit time that we have seen earlier is speed. The rate of change of displacement, the distance traveled in a particular direction. Here we can talk, direction is also essential. So we know very well, when we have seen distance and displacement, distance is a scalar quantity, while that displacement is a vector quantity. Displacement also specify the direction. तो लिखिए यहां पर, the speed of a body in a particular direction. Speed of a body in a particular direction. Speed of a body in a particular direction. So velocity, I can say, is displacement upon time. Displacement upon time. So I can write the formula for the velocity, because it is a vector quantity, it gives magnitude as well as direction. Velocity is a vector quantity and the symbol for the vector is this arrow. ये देखिए arrow. V के ऊपर जो arrow बनाया है, this is a vector quantity. Here the displacement is also a vector quantity divided by time. You can see the arrow on V and S. It specifies that this V stands for velocity and this S stands for displacement. Okay, this is the difference in between speed and velocity. And the unit of the velocity is same as that of speed, meter per second. Unit is same. Again, I can differentiate velocity, That is uniform velocity or constant velocity. Uniform velocity or constant velocity. What is that? When a body is moving along a straight line like this. When a body is moving along a straight line covering equal distances in equal interval of time. Direction बता रहा है यहाँ पर. When the body is moving in a straight line, covers equal distances in equal interval of time in a particular direction. Even the direction of the motion of the body changes when it covers equal distances in equal interval of time. At that time, we can say here it is called uniform velocity. Then, my dear children, another one is non-uniform velocity. Non-uniform velocity or variable velocity. Non-uniform velocity or variable velocity. It covers unequal distances. It covers unequal distances in a particular direction. Unequal distances in a particular direction in equal interval of time. Direction important है, बार बार बता रहा हूं मैं. In a particular direction, in equal interval of time, unequal distances in equal interval of time, or the direction of the motion of the body changes even when it covers equal distances in equal interval of time. Both are right. Okay? The last topic today, that is, what do you mean by average velocity? What do you mean by average velocity? Average velocity. Suppose a body is moving initially, say an initial velocity u. After some time, the velocity of an object is v. Suppose the final velocity is v, then sum of these two, initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2. This is called average velocity. This is called average velocity. When a body is moving along a straight line, body is moving along a straight line with a variable speed, initial velocity is u, final velocity is v. In that case, the average velocity can be calculated by u plus v by 2. Okay? So dear children, this is all about today, speed and velocity. In our next module, we have to see acceleration. Okay? Yes, sir. Is it any problem? Then ask.
No, sir.
No,
Okay,
sir.
bye. Okay?
No, sir.
Yes. Aditi,
No, sir.
send me the attendance. Aditi.
Yes, sir.